So maybe you are about to take a trade and you are in a trade and you feel very tense, very anxious, very fearful. And then there could be obviously a few reasons why you're feeling that way. And then we have to step back and understand, okay, why is this actually coming up? So for example, it could be that your position size is way too big. Maybe you don't even have a position sizing plan to begin with. And if you lose that trade that you are currently in, it could mean that you're losing 20, 30, 50% of your account, or maybe losing that trade will lead to a complete margin call. And in that case, feeling anxious, feeling very emotional, feeling very fearful is obviously the right emotion to feel. If you would feel very confident and great in such a situation, I would say there's something very wrong with you. And having those negative emotions in that case are rightful to come up. And that is really important to understand, that emotions do have a justified place and they come up for a very specific reason.